Hello friends, today we will discuss topic how to enable or disable sharing tab in folder properties. Friends, how we can enable or disable these tab. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, we will see right click on any folder and then go to its properties. Friends, see here we are seeing sharing tab in folder, and we can share data. To use this sharing tab, click on share, and here we see user owner. We can also add like everyone, and we can add this, and here is permission level is read. We can do this read and write, and we can remove, and we can give any permission according to our requirement or according to our scenario, and then we can share. Friends, this is the properties of sharing tab. Let's see how we can disable or enable this sharing tab from folder properties. First of all, we have go to registry. In system, type on search registry editor and click on it, then yes. Friends, here we will go to HKey classes root, and then we further go to required tab. Friends, here we go to directory tab. In directory we go to shellx, and here we see property sheet handler, and then sharing properties. We see here the sharing properties. Friends, we will remove this key, or we can remove this value from this key and click OK. We have removed this value from this, and now we will check from folder whether sharing tab is available or not. And you will see here sharing tab is not available here in folder properties. We can disable this sharing tab from folder properties. Now we will again enable this sharing tab in folder properties. Go to start, and now we will again enable this sharing tab in folder option. Go to type search bar and type here registry, registry, and click OK. Then same procedure we will adopt. Go to HKey classes root, then go to directory, and in directory go to shellx, and then property sheet and sharing. Friends, here we see we remove the value from this key, and we will again paste the same key values in this key and click OK, and close this tab. Now friends, we will see right click on folder and its properties. Friends, you see here sharing tab is enabled here. Now this is the procedure. From this we can enable or disable sharing tab in folder properties. Friends, this is the procedure. I think you will understand. If you have any question or queries, you can write me in comments. I will give you answer and help you. If you feel any difficulty to receive more good videos from my channel, please like, subscribe my channel, so you will receive latest video from this channel. Bye.